If your X timeline is getting crowded with recommended notifications and you want to turn them off or cut them down, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage recommended notifications on X, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you only want to see alerts from the accounts and activity that actually matter to you. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, go to x.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Notifications tab. This is where X shows you all your activity alerts, mentions, follows, and recommended updates in one place. After that, look toward the top right corner of your notifications timeline. You'll see a gear icon or settings icon there. Click on that icon to open your notification preferences. This is the menu where X lets you control what kind of notifications you receive and how they appear. Now, inside the settings menu, find the filters section. Under that section, click on muted notifications. This area is important because it lets you silence certain types of notifications that you may not want to see anymore. Once you're in muted notifications, you'll see different boxes you can check depending on the kinds of accounts or notifications you want to ignore. Go through the list carefully and check the boxes for the types of accounts you want to mute. This helps reduce unwanted recommended notifications and keeps your notification feed much cleaner and more relevant. If you're trying to focus on replies, mentions, or updates from people you actually follow, muting recommended or less relevant notifications can make a big difference. It's a quick way to take back control of your X experience without having to leave the platform or change a bunch of complicated settings. After you've checked the boxes you want, you can simply go back to your timeline. Your notification preferences should now be updated, and you should start seeing fewer of the recommended alerts you wanted to avoid. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn off or mute recommended notifications on x.com step by step. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.